Hey, good morning, guys. This is going to be the answer for warm-up number 22. I just woke up. It's still early. Hey, remember to brush your teeth in the morning because that's something that doesn't really happen very often with me. Just, yeah, off my routine. Let's go ahead. Let's run through this problem. This one, not too bad. It's just finding the mean, median, and the interquartile range. So I've already gone ahead. I've rewritten them out in order from least to greatest. That's always going to end up being your first step. I just didn't want to waste time during the video and doing it. So looking at it, least to greatest, smallest number is 5, biggest number is 23. In order to find the mean, we have to add all of these up and divide by how many there are. Well, I can tell you already, if you add all of these up, it's going to end up giving you, if you add all these up, it is going to end up giving you 174 because I've already solved this. And there's 12 total numbers, so you are going to end up dividing by 12. When you do that, you are going to end up getting an answer of 14.5. So that's the answer for the mean. And if you figure the mean out, you already know the other two. Remember, multiple choice. So don't solve the whole thing if you don't have to. 14.5. I am going to work through the rest of them. Median is my middle number. I need to end up figuring out, I have two middle numbers because there's an even amount of numbers. I have two middle numbers, and it's going to be 15 and 16. And if we have an even number, we have to end up taking 15 plus 16 and dividing it by 2 because I'm using two numbers here. And when I end up doing that, I get an answer of 15 and a half, or 15.5. So once again, you can already see what the answer is going to end up being. It's going to be that top one. To figure out your interquartile range, it is going to end up being quartile 3. So I'm going to write up here Q3 minus Q1. Well, Q1 is going to be my first set of data. Q3 is going to be my second set of data. All right, and it's split right here in the middle. Okay, it's split right here between that 15 and 16. So my first set is right here. All right, and my second, my Q3 is going to end up being down here at this end. I need to find my middle numbers between 5 and 15, and that's going to end up being 9 and 11. So to find Q1, it's going to end up being 9 plus 11 divided by 2, and that's going to end up giving me 10. So this is quartile 1. That's going to be Q1. And the second thing, I'm going to end up coming down here to the second half of my data, and my two middle numbers are going to be 17 and 18. Same thing, it's 17 plus 18 divided by 2, and that's going to end up giving me 17.5. And remember, we do Q3 minus Q1. So it's 17.5 minus 10. 17.5 minus 10 is going to give you 7.5. That is your interquartile range, 7.5. Those are our three answers. I know this video is a little bit longer because there was a little bit more math involved. Hopefully you guys are doing well. Hopefully you guys are surviving. I'll end up posting another video tomorrow, warm-up number 23. Everybody out there that's doing a great job, really good work. We had a lot of Fs to kind of start the term, but those are starting to come down because you guys are figuring it out. Great job. Reach out to me if you have any questions, comments, concerns. I send a lot of messages and emails all the time to you guys and to parents as well, especially on Monday is the big day. All right, reach out if you guys have any questions. I'll talk to you later.